Futures show a very mixed picture and no clear trend for stocks this morning. Dow, S&P down, Nasdaq up a fraction. The real story is Coinbase, which goes public today, and Gregg Smith's got a thing or two to say about it. All right, Gregg, welcome back. Good to see you again. I want you to make your case here. You think that just by going public, this exchange, Coinbase, will raise the price and the value of cryptocurrencies themselves. Why so?
Hey, good morning, Stuart. Well, look, it's no surprise that we're witnessing Bitcoin make new highs today, coinciding with the direct listing of Coinbase. I think the analogy to this is Coinbase will do to Bitcoin and other cryptos exactly what Beyond Meat's IPO 2 years ago did for plant-based eating, and it really popularized the notion of plant-based diets. And I guarantee you, if you and I could be invisible and float in and out of homes of millions of Americans this evening and sit around and stalk what conversations are being had over the dining room tables, I guarantee you it's not going to be talking about COVID. It's not going to be talking about what's happening on the southern border or how great the Varney show was this morning, but we will overhear spouses turning to one another and saying, honey, do we own any of this crypto stuff? And maybe we should buy some. So it's going to begin to mark what people will believe is that crypto should be part of a construct of a modern day portfolio. So it's going to popularize that and put it into the forefront.
Let's remember that Coinbase is the exchange. You buy shares in Coinbase. You are not buying shares in Bitcoin or Ethereum or anything else. You're buying shares in the exchange. Okay. All right.
That is correct.
I want to turn to Apple. I've got just about 30, 40 seconds here. Apple has been big tech's worst performer this year. What's wrong with it, and why do you think it's going to hit new highs?
Look, I think we've witnessed tech and the FANG stocks in particular have a very challenging 2 months. And I feel like with interest rates stabilizing, which everybody has been looking, and that's been key, and sort of an inverse correlation to tech, big cap tech feels like they're getting ready to storm the beach at Normandy. We've seen some of them break through. We've seen Facebook make new highs in the last few weeks. I don't understand why Apple isn't trading north of 150. And I think the time has come. We've had a big risk-off environment here for the last 2 weeks, a big compression. And I think it's time that investors will come back into tech and tiptoe back into the water. So tech should work.
We'll see what happens, Gregg Smith. Thanks very much indeed. The bell is ringing, and in just, 3 or 4 seconds, we're going to start trading on this Wednesday morning.